Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Choosing a tonneau cover for your truck can be a bit of a challenge when it comes to finding the right one that fits your needs. So it's good to know that Tonno Pros is out there trying to get you covered with any of your tonneau cover needs. All of their designs feature an all-aluminum frame which are easily installed. These great features allow you to get these covers in a matter of minutes in your own garage. With the 3 different style covers offered, the choice comes down to what works best for you: the low and roll, the hard fold, or the tri-fold. Here I have with me the low roll cover that features the Tonno Pros roll-up design with their tear-resistant double-sided vinyl, allowing you to easily roll up the vinyl at a moment's notice. This low-profile design also allows the cover to blend seamlessly with the factory bed. The hard fold design has the same easy installation features as the low roll design, but this version will have the hard vinyl cover, making them impact resistant. The aluminum underbody frame allows you to easily fold the cover up into itself when needed. Coming up third in line is the tri-fold system, which will kind of have the best of both worlds when it comes to the low and roll and the hard fold system. This setup includes the tear-resistant double-sided vinyl and the aluminum underbody frame that allows you to fold the cover into itself. So when it comes to tonneau covers and you're considering getting one for your Silverado or Sierra, think Tonno Pro for the great selection and excellent price range. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.